So right here is my cash cow channel that I created 2 years ago, and I haven't done anything. I bought this channel. It was supposed to be a cash cow channel, but it never happened. So I've been really wanting to jump back into the cash cow world. I've been really wanting to create my channel and go for it. I've been hearing so much about YouTube automation, and I think it's my time. So now I'm jumping back into the cash cow world, into the YouTube automation world. But I want to do this a little bit differently. I want to do this the right way that everybody talks about. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sit here and I'm going to find someone to edit my videos. I'm going to find someone to basically control this entire channel. I'm going to find someone to do voiceovers. I'm going to find someone to do basically everything. So obviously I'm going to oversee the channel and, you know, basically control everything, but I want to not edit. So if we take a step back and we look at the computer, this is my cash cow channel. Now as you can see, I like the way that this looks. I like the way that it's kind of formatted, and I like the way that the thumbnails look. It feels like if there were maybe 20, 30, 40 of these videos, the channel might be something. So I think I'm gonna actually continue to grow this channel. So when I originally started this YouTube channel, most of the videos on here were basically edited by somebody else. Now there's 1 or 2 videos on here where it's edited by me, and I don't want to edit no more. So the goal of this video today is to find someone who can actually edit these videos and actually pull this entire thing together. So basically what I'm gonna do right now is I'm going to go to upwork.com and I'm going to basically put a job posting out to see if I can find an editor for this. What actually gave me the idea to do this video was because I posted a job on Upwork and I got responses really fast. So I'm really excited for this website, honestly. So what we're gonna do here is create a new job post. So this is a short time or part-time work. Alright, so write a title for your job post. So the title should be, I'm gonna just make it simple so it jumps out to people. Cash cow video. This title, alright, so let's see, alright. Let's see, write a title for your job post. YouTube editor for cash cow videos. Top 5, or I'll put top 10, top 10. What else? What other cash cow videos are there? I don't know. So I'll just put top 10, etc. And now that I'm thinking, video action, video production, video. Alright y'all, so we're gonna press next. So it asks you what are the main skills required for the work. Obviously some video editing skills, and they already have them right here. So immediately they start matching you up with you know, all the stuff, so you don't have to type everything in. So video editing, Adobe, production, post editing, whatever. Yeah, all that's fine. All that is cool. So next, estimate the scope of your work. Okay, how long will your work take? Oh, it's gonna take less than a month. Okay, what level of experience will it need? Entry. Is this a contract to hire opportunity? This means you'll start with a contract. No. Alright, so select your preferred location. So I'm gonna pick worldwide. With this website, you can actually reach a lot of people that are like all over. Like obviously it says it worldwide. Like so tell us about your budget. So this is the interesting part right here, right? So for this video, for these videos, I want to pay the least amount possible. I want to see what can I do, what can I get for a small amount of money on this website. So I'm gonna say, all right, $20 max for this project. Basically, they're gonna be editing the video, finding clips. I'll say $20, okay? So, and I think I've actually posted a job that was less than $20 and I still got replies, so this should be fine. And then there we go. Oh, describe your job. So for this part where I actually describe the job that I want and everything that I want them to do, I went to Google Drive and I wrote a little paragraph of everything that I want. So this is the paragraph right here. So as you can see, it says, hi, I'm looking for an editor that can create cash cow videos. These cash cow videos include top 5 or top 10 informational videos and fun videos. So basically that's all the videos that are on here. So on here, look at the bottom, top 10 richest YouTubers, top 5, and then we have, you know, billionaire luxury motivation, that's fun. We have the Apple card, that's fun. We have LeBron James, that's, you know, that's still a list type video. So this is kind of like, you know, what I want. So all right, boom. So then I wrote a little bit more about what I want them to do. You guys can read that if you want. You guys can steal this or simply write your own if you want to do the same thing. So basically I wrote, reply to this job posting if you think you can help. And then I gave examples of exactly what I want. So this is very crucial when you're doing something like this. When you're paying somebody to do something, if you want it done a certain way, show them that way. Say, look, can you do this? If you can't do this, then we can't work together. If you can do it, let's do it. That way you show them exactly what you want. You don't have to write out a whole bunch of things and then go back and forth and then this, that, and the third. I've done that before and it gets kind of annoying. Sometimes you might work with someone who will go out on their own and do their own type of edit or do their own thing, and then you don't notice it until when everything is completed and the video is delivered. So show them exactly what you want to be done. If you have an example, send them that link. Tell them to go watch it, you know? And then you will be better off in the end. This is basically it. Hopefully we can get some replies and then we're gonna see how that goes. So yeah. All right, y'all, so here is the final product. Here's the job details. It doesn't cost anything to post these jobs. I don't know if they take money off at the end because this is my first time doing it. So I don't know the answers, but I'm doing it, okay? So my budget is $20. I wrote down all the job details. I gave them examples. I showed them the channel that they could potentially be working on unless I make a new channel. But I showed them what type of videos I want. I showed them how it's done, how it's gonna look, how it's gonna sound. So hopefully someone can read everything and just decide to, you know, post for the job, you know? So that's the end of this video, ladies and gentlemen. If you like this video, make sure to check out the next one where we actually look and see if anyone has responded to these, you know, to the job. So thank y'all so much for watching. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace.